What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. We're going to be looking at a pair of Dunk that do not get any hype around at all, which is like super surprising. Like, it's a pair of Dunk, but no one cares about this pair. Like, how? But anyway, I have like opened the box, check out the shoes, and let me tell you, this pair is actually not that bad. Like, the material, the quality they use, it's different than most of the Dunks. Instead of using like a cheap leather, they use fabrics instead, and man, I feel like the tumble leather they use on the side is pretty nice. Like, it's not the normal pair of Dunk you're getting. I just feel like it's surprising that no one cares about this shoe. If you're looking, or if you're searching for a pair of Dunk, really, this pair will be a good option for you. I mean, it's selling around retail, man. I mean, you're not paying a lot for resale, and the colorway is looking nice, and the quality is pretty nice. And by all means, let's say less, let's get into today's video. So getting right here, just a normal standard Nike Dunk Low box, nothing special, but it says right here Nike Dunk Low SE. I think it stands for special edition, I'm not sure. And the colorway is to copy and paste. Let's open the box. Okay, damn, the Nike Dunk Low, copy and paste. The shoe, like what I said, I like the tumble leather and like the fabric. Instead of like being shitty leather, they use like a fabric, and aside you get the tumble leather. It's better than most of the normal or GR release Dunks. I wouldn't say I'm surprised, I'm impressed by how Nike decide to use this kind of leather on this kind of release and don't get any hype at all, which is, I don't get it. But anyway, I do love the small details on this pair. For example, I love the little swoosh Nike logo shoe tone right here. Instead of just, you know, basic black, they use orange instead. And you know, all the Nike logo just printed all around the shoe, the side of the shoes. I do think that's pretty unique. Like, you don't get those kind of design at all. And you can see the insole, it's pretty cool. Instead of just like, you know, basic white, it kind of is pretty colorful in there. So one little part I would love to complain about the shoes is the shoelace part. I mean, instead of using white laces for this pair, they could replace with like black or navy. I think the shoes would look a whole lot better. It would kind of match the bottom, the outsole, and the side. You know, just overall, I think gray would look pretty good as well. But I don't know why it comes with white laces. And you know, Dunk do not come with extra laces, so you only get a white laces on this pair. But anyway, it's still a clean looking shoes. All those small details make the shoes pretty nice. There's nothing much to say. It's just a pair of Dunk. I mean, we've been seeing Dunks for the last 2 years. There's nothing new that we have to talk about for the Dunks, but you know, just all those small details, the Nike logos, the shoe tone, I mean, the orange swoosh, and the leather. I mean, again, come back to the quality part. I love, instead of using like a shitty leather, they use like fabrics instead. It feels super smooth. Well, I think it's like somehow smooth. I wouldn't say it's the best feeling, but it feels better than like a GR Dunk. And the leather, it's kind of like decent quality, like double leather. So yeah, it is, the quality wise, it is better than most of the GR Dunks, like Pandas, you name it, it's better than most of them. So that makes this pair special or stand out or worth to buy resale. Like what I said though, this pair is only going for like 110 to 120, and retail's $100. I mean, paying 20 bucks over retail is such a great deal for a clean looking shoes. I mean, man, it's gonna match with lots of outfits. So I don't know why people are sleeping on this pair, but it's a nice pair. Like what I said, I mean, after holding this pair in person, it's a great looking shoes. And if you're looking for a pair of Dunk, don't sleep on this pair, because this pair will surprise you, especially when you have this pair in person. Just like what I said, it's a pair of Dunk. There's not that much to talk about, but overall, I do love this pair. And this is it. Hopefully you liked the video for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and follow my IG as well, and I will see y'all soon. Peace.